I appreciate you for coming all the way from Kasuba to support Igbo Day here in Galway.
Thank you,
my brother.
much.
I want to ask you a few questions. Could you start by telling us your name?
My name is Williams Njoku.
Yeah.
From Mbise, Imo State.
That's beautiful. What does Igbo Day mean to you?
Well, Igbo Day to me means showcasing the Igbo culture, making sure that our next generation are aware of what the heritage is.
Yeah, our rich heritage. Do you speak Igbo? Or can you speak Igbo?
Of course I can speak Igbo now.
Okay.
Yes.
Kekode. Anarufa? Anadaba. That's good. What is your favorite Igbo name?
My favorite Igbo name?
Yes.
Well, I would say favorite Igbo name because
Do you have anyone?
I have my own Igbo name.
Oh, really?
So my own Igbo name is the favorite one.
Okay.
Erọnine.
Would you mind sharing it with us?
Erọnine.
Erọnine?
So which means Inaechegini.
Wow, that's a beautiful one.
Yes, sir.
Nice one. What is your favorite Igbo food?
Ofe ohano.
Ofa?
With kanda, kuroko, everything inside with apple.
Okay.
I can eat that every day for the whole year.
That's good. Apple, we don't find that one here that much.
Well, if you want it, you will get it.
You get it, yeah?
Yes.
You can get everything here.
Anything you want.
What is one word to describe Igbo?
Resilience.
Resilience. Intelligence.
Strength.
True.
Intelligence.
Yeah, strength, yeah. And unity.
Unity.
Unity as
One
well.
love.
One love, yeah. For sure. You always show us love from Kasuba, man.
What can I do, you know?
Yeah.
For me, I love my people. So wherever they are, I join hands with them.
Good man. Keep up the good work.
Sorry?
I said you're a good man.
I try my
Keep
best
up
to.
the good work.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
What would be your advice for Igbo young generation growing up here in Ireland?
Don't forget the legacy. Stay close. Make the Igbos proud.
True.
We are champions. We are warriors.
True.
We never succumb.
True.
We are always on top.
I believe you.
That's how it is.
I can testify it, I can witness it for today's
Exactly.
event. Okay. Anything you want to say to the audience?
What to the
Or
audience?
to the people?
To the people, today is Igbo Day. Enjoy it. Enjoy the culture.
Yes.
And for those who are Igbos, shine. Keep shining.
True.
And let's make sure that those who come to enjoy our events, they can see the importance of being Igbo. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I wish you a happy Igbo Day, my man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and keep up the good work.
God bless. Thank
We
you very much.
appreciate you. God bless. One love.